What if I told you there's a free software that has every major AI upscaling model, all in one place? All completely free. No watermark. No subscription. The software is called Warlock Studio, link is in the description. It's free and available on GitHub. Download and install the software. When you open it, you'll see a clean interface. At the top, choose your AI model. And look at how many options you have. Every major free AI upscaling model, right here in one software. And choose your output path where the enhanced files will be saved. Drop your image or video into the workspace. And hit Make Magic. Give it a few minutes.
A few moments later.
Look at this result. Same file, completely different quality, sharper details, cleaner edges, no blurriness. But that's just one model. Let me show you what Animex does, because this one is built specifically for a different type of content. Select RealESR_Animex4 from the dropdown. This model is specifically optimized for anime and animation content. Drop your file, hit Make Magic, and look at this. Every line, every detail, crystal clear. If you work with anime or animated content, this model is exactly what you need. Now let me show you a hidden gem. Go to the model dropdown and pick RIFE. Think of RIFE like a smart assistant that adds missing moments between your frames. There are also more models available that you can try, link is in the description, go download it right now. In my next video, I'm covering how you can use Topaz AI Video Enhancer for free, another powerful free upscaling tool. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.